Today, I'm going to show you how to automate the gain input of a track to help control loud peaks. This will help smooth the dynamics of the performance and improve the overall balance of the levels. To get started, let's go to View, Clip, and make sure that Clip Gain line is checked. When Clip Gain is enabled, a black line will run through the audio clips. Taking a look at the audio clips, here are a few of the peaks that we may have to adjust. Let's go ahead now and zoom in onto the first peak. I typically like to find the high point of the audio. By doing so, I hold down Command and then click on the high point of the audio clip, and this will place a dot on the automation lane. Following up, I like to make a highlight of the bulk of the audio, from it to rise up to the center and then rise down from the center. Once selected, I'll drag the automation lane down to my liking.
And how far, and how far.
For now, I'm going to go ahead and delete the automation change, and let's just take a listen to the overall track to figure out where the levels sit at. We will use the meter over here to the right to determine the average levels.
And how far will it go this time? I know I must keep this within lines, adjusting to the past rules that gave us proof. I'm given reasons to see us through, and I sing.
So it looks like we have levels ranging from negative 10 dB all the way down to around negative 20 dB, with an average around negative 16 dB. Let's start going through all the peaks and start bringing them down to an appropriate level that helps them blend in with the rest of the lines.
And how
First, I'll create a center point by holding down Command and then clicking on the high point. Then I'll highlight that section and then drag it down. To create a fade up and fade down, I'll hold down Option and get rid of the left and right corners. This can help create a smoother gain transition.
and how far, and how far.
Let's move on to the next peak and determine how loud it is.
I
As you can see, this peak goes slightly above negative 10 dB. We definitely need to bring this one down some. Let's go ahead and highlight the bulk of the loudness and then bring it down. We'll follow up by fading up the audio gain line back to normal.
time, I know I must. Time, I know I must keep this.
Make any adjustments at this point as you feel necessary. The goal is to create a smooth transition without being noticed that we changed the gain line.
Time, I know I must keep this within lines, adjusting to the past.
The dynamics are very smooth now, and as you can see, we are able to shave off about 3 to 4 dB. Let's take the time now to apply the same technique to the remainder of the loud peaks.
adjusting to the past roll. Into the past roll. To the past roll. To the past roll. Into the past rolls that gave us proof. Give us proof. I'm giving give us proof. I'm giving reasons. Give us proof. I'm giving reasons to see us through, and I sing. And I sing, and I sing. And I sing, and I sing.
Let's play back this entire section to ensure that all of our automation is nice and smooth.
And how far will it go this time? I know I must keep this within lines, adjusting to the past roles that gave us proof. I'm giving reasons to see us through, and I sing.
Awesome. Sounds good so far. It looks like all of our peaks now just barely go over negative 16 dB, and none of them are able to hit negative 10 dB anymore.